Oh, that's the bell tower?
That's the bell tower. And here's where we park. Well, hopefully this is our third place technically that we've gone. Hopefully we'll catch something. So we're gonna see what park over here.
Counting Callan's hockey game? Dad? Counting Callan's hockey.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Lights on. Still waiting to catch something. We did catch a first perch here at the bell tower. Paige caught a small perch at Burtis Bay this morning, but nothing was happening there. So we're 40 feet of water, marking some fish, but those fish don't want to take it. I don't know if there was I know there's high pressure moving in, but we're in our new shanty that we picked up. So there's room for all three of us.
Bench.
And a bench.
Oh, can we put up the thing? Put up the thing?
Okay, we'll put that up.
To lean against.
Paige here. There you go, Paige.
Yay.
Nice job. Little 6-inch perch. But a perch nonetheless.
Do we have one in there?
Where?
No. Oh, no. No.
Down Paige's hole for luck. There it goes. Alright, let's get it back down. Keep going, Paige.
No, wait for it to kick back, because there's nothing now.
Does it come off?
Yes.
There, I have one now.
Do you want me the camera?
Yep.
What's the cord?
It's already did. Feels like a little one.
A little perch. Oh, little
Oh,
perch.
that's all we're seeing today is little perch.
Put down my hole, please.
I'll give Colin this one. Colin's hole for luck.
Right, so... I'm not getting any luck.
Tiny one on the pile. Nice job, Kyle.
That's that,
Well, I was reading the reports, and not a lot of people were. Some people were actually getting skunked. They weren't catching anything.
Yeah, you should not put this on YouTube.
I think you're right.
I'm not catching anything.
Well,
This is something big, yet. Oh, I got pages.
You hooked Pages? You got Pages.
I caught
Dang
it.
You
I
caught
caught
Paige.
it.
Well, someone caught a little fish.
Colin did.
Colin caught it, actually.
I didn't feel anything. I just started reading.
Yeah, that was yours, Kyle.
Hey.
Okay. Colin probably want to get down there a little lower. It's nice. They're down there. They're down there.
Oh.
As you can see, we're in a pretty heavy snowstorm. And did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
We didn't catch a lot of fish today, but we had a good time. Tested out our new shanty, and we probably had about 4 inches of ice out here, so it's good. Perch fishing was good. And I got some